the University of Michigan remains a premier place to pursue your studies. What will be different is that we will have to develop an array of modes of operation to accommodate what will be the inevitable surprises and air pockets as we play out the initial pandemic curve. All of the things that are excellent about us are in place and intact. The faculty are here ready to work with you. The staff are here ready to support your goals and aspirations, and all of the things that attracted to us in the first place are still here. And we will do everything we can within our capacity to help you surmount those obstacles, intellectual and long-term, but also short-term and episodic, to get you here to Ann Arbor to study with us and to pursue your individual goals. I think this is a great place to do it. Nothing has changed as a result of the crisis, but there will be some modifications and alterations from normal operations, and we will help you deal with those things.